Good morning, my name is Dasha St. Remy. I am the manager here at the Little Haiti Cultural Complex. Thank you for joining us at the opening reception here. I am excited as this is my first Haitian Heritage Month here at the city. I want to go ahead and just do the thank yous now. Sometimes we leave it to the end and people trickle out. I want to go ahead and say thank you first and foremost to the city of Miami for allowing this space to happen. For the leadership here in the city of Miami, thank you for supporting me. In the first 3 months, it is 3 months that I am in this position. Next, my team. Shout out to the Little Haiti Cultural Center team. If you are here, just raise your hand. Transforming this space. Natalie, our curator of the space, thank you for partnering with us, and all the talent that you will experience. If I can have people come in and not be in the entrance as it is an emergency exit if something happens, that we can clear that space. Our entertainment, everyone that's in the space, thank you for saying yes. We have done all we can do to make this month successful. I'm already claiming it as success. As you can see, we have a calendar filled with activities. If you don't have a calendar, I please encourage you to grab one, grab two, share it with someone else. Thank you for community members, our neighbors. I see our neighbors here. Aaron, shout out to you. It is so important. It is so important that we acknowledge every single bodies that make this place possible. It's not just our staff, it's not just the city, it's not just the politician, but it's the community who come and activate and curate this space. And the opening reception, I was very intentional of really celebrating everyone that is curating something in this space, activating this space throughout the month of May for Haitian Heritage Month. And sometimes we don't often get celebrated for the work we do. And it's a lot of work to put on activities year after year, month after month, some people day after day. And so this reception is for you. I hope you can just relax, enjoy, really meet and reach one another. We really truly are family here. And if it doesn't feel like that, I hope by next year you will feel like that. Because as long as I'm here, I will continue to make this a communal space where everybody feel welcome. So again,